friends, my name is Terri and I crochet. Welcome to my channel. Today is Mandala Blanket Tuesday, and so I'm here to show you my Mandala blanket. I'm making one, the same one that Llama Mama Kayla, Heather from Strings and Threads, yes, Heather from Strings and Threads, and Nova from Nova Gnome Creations. They're all doing the Mandala, and I decided to join in and do it as well. So last time I left you, I was like on row 35 or something, and now that it's getting bigger, it's taking me longer to get around. So I'm only on row 41 or 42. See, I'm right here, but it looks beautiful, and I'm really excited about getting it done and going week by week with the girls there that are doing that too. And as you can see, I've got a mask on my nose, and no, I didn't break my nose, nothing like that happened. But I watched a video from Setta's place, and she double dog dared anybody to do this challenge and put a mask on their nose and take it off on video. So, hey Setta, here I am doing the double dog dare. Okay, so I've had this on for about 15 minutes, which is what you're supposed to leave it on for. And when she took hers off, it was painful. But I noticed in her video, she rubbed it so that it would be secure. I didn't do that, so I'm hoping that it won't be as painful. I did rub it, but I'm going to link her video down below so you can see how much she rubbed hers. Okay, so here it goes. Oh, it's not hurting. It's sticky. It's stuck. Okay, it's hurting. It's hurting on the top. Oh, and I have black stuff left on my nose. That's just wrong. This stuff is supposed to come off and peel your pores clean. But no, it decided to leave black stuff on my nose. Fine. Okay, well, thank you for coming. I look like an idiot now. But I hope you enjoyed my Mandala. I'll link Setta's channel down below, along with Llama Mama Kayla, Strings and Threads, and Nova Gnome Creations. Love you guys. Bye-bye.